Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming baseline metrics so you know what to improve. Open battery settings or a diagnostics app, note percentage and mAh, write them down. Next, turn off GPS, Bluetooth, and autosync to reduce background drain while you work. Then lower screen refresh to 60 Hz and brightness to 30-50% to prevent heat. Once done, back up your data and plug the phone until it reaches at least 50%. This protects against interruptions during deeper fixes. Now focus on the middle work. Find and stop battery draining apps. Use system battery stats or a Qoo battery to spot apps over 10% usage, then restrict background activity or uninstall them. Make sure the phone is running the latest firmware and app updates because patches fix power bugs. If the OS behaves oddly, consider a factory reset after backing up. For accuracy, calibrate the battery by charging to 100%, discharging to about 35%, and repeating the cycle twice to rebalance the reporting. Finish by evaluating hardware. If capacity is below 80% or the battery is swollen, arrange an OEM or certified replacement because software tweaks won't fix chemical wear. Then enable adaptive battery, dark mode, app standby, and schedule do not disturb to reduce wake locks. Make sure temperature stays within 0 degrees to 35 degrees Celsius to preserve longevity. If you still see rapid drain, boot into safe mode to rule out apps. Check the bootloader and logs, and if needed, take it to a qualified repair technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.